What's up, guys? Down here at Onondaga Lake, I got my kayak with me and just 2 rides. I got 2 finesse setups with me today. I'm gonna be throwing probably a drop shot and a Senko. I got a creature bait tied up right now, but if that stuff doesn't work, then I'm gonna go out and fish in deeper water with a drop shot later in the day. But for now, I'm gonna start up shallow and then see what happens. Let's get it. I've seen a lot of weeds I like. I'm gonna keep that out there and cast this at the same time. Double rig. Good stuff. I think I got him, guys. Yup, on the double rig. Oh, literally second cast of the day. Good sign. Not a bad one. I'm out in these deeper weed patches just off the drop off here. I was seeing some fish, so I decided to take some casts. All I brought with me was finesse stuff today, like I said in my intro. So, got a Senko and a little soft plastic Texas rigged on this other rod here, but it's a nice little 2-pounder to start the day. I'll take it. There we go. There we go, guys. First fish. Let her go. Sheesh. I switched my Senko over to my Ike rod. I got a leader on there, 12-pound fluoro to I think it's like 15-20 pound braid, and then I'm gonna tie a drop shot on this other St. Croix with only 8 pound. It's like 8 to 10 pound test. I'm gonna go out deeper, fish a little drop shot later, but try to catch a couple fish up shallow for now, and then I'll move out there. There's one. Oh, it feels like a good one. Oh, yeah. Coming right at me. Oh. Not a giant, but at least 3. See, oh, this is how they break me off. Look at this. Oh, no, it's not good. What the frick? Oh, my God. He almost just broke my rod and my freaking line. He's about to break my line again. Jeez. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. Where they're getting me wrapped on. Oh, it's a healthy fish. He's ugly though, his face. Big old well, he's been caught a few times. Nice and fat though, probably 2.5, 3 pounder. I'll take it. Healthy little. I can't tell if they're post, pre, what they're doing right now, to be honest with you. A little bit of everything is what I'm guessing. There's one. Oh, that was big. Whoa! Didn't even break me off. Oh, he did break me off. Wow, what the hell just happened? How did he break me off? There's one. Oh my! On the drop shot, that was sweet. He jumped about 4 feet. He's coming under me. I'd love to get a little drop shot pattern going out here. That'd be nice. Lost my Senko, so. Alright, buddy, come up here. You coming up in here today? Oh, where you going? Don't jump. Stop. I hate trying to land fish in these kayaks. There we go. Ah, there's a spawned out one. He's long. He's probably like 18 inches, but only probably weighs 3 pounds. I'm loving these Nico hooks. I'm using these Nico hooks on this drop shot, and they're working. Been using them the past couple weeks. Healthy fish. Sweet. I usually will go pretty far down that shoreline, but I don't have my Senko rod handy right now, so I'm not even gonna bother. I'm gonna go out and just fish deep weed edges and stuff and try to get some bigger bites, inner and outer edges of the weeds, and just drag some drop shots and stuff like that, and finish up the vid. Here's one, guys. That feels like a big one. Yep. It's a bass. Not that big, but I'll take him. Oh, where you going? The drop shot. There's a big gar behind him. He's like, fuck that, he's gonna win. Come here. I don't gotta get me soaked. Why? On the camera. He ain't ready yet. It's not like a 2.5 pounder. I don't know why he's fighting so hard. Got some weeds on him. It's a little bigger than I thought. It's probably a 3. He spawned out though. Nice healthy fish. Man, it's fun catching them on this finesse. 8-pound fluoro. Give you a little ride through the weeds. Finding a little drop shot pattern out. A little bite. Decent. There's one guy's way out there. Oh, yeah, it's a decent bass. Drop shot again. It's probably at least a 3 or 4. Way he jumped. He's got me all up in the weeds. I don't know if he's still on there. Oh, he is. Oh, that's a big bass. Oh, don't break my rod. Don't break my rod. Don't do that. Solid 3.5. Nothing too big, but I'll take it. Oh yeah. Come here, girl. She's ready. Oh. Every time I say that, come on. I'm soaked. This bitch. It's so hard landing on this damn kayak. Oh, that's a freaking tub. Look at that thing. Woo. Man, this is getting fun. I'm actually kind of glad I broke off my leader on my Senko rod, because this is more fun than throwing the Senko. 3.5 all day, maybe a little bit more. Definitely not a 4 though, I don't think. Healthy ass fish. Sweet. Big one under me. I'll get out of there. Fucker. Another nice one on the drop shot, probably 3-pounder. There we go. Oh yeah, there's one way out there again. Decent bass. First bite in a while. Move down the shoreline a little bit. See how big he is. I got 3 maybe. Oh my god, every time. Get me soaked. Fuck. Alright, buddy. Don't get me wet. Stop. Oh, he's not happy. Should have weighed some fish there. I probably would have had a decent bag. Another healthy one, pretty long, looks spawned out. Across the drop shot though. Man, this has got to be some of the most fun fishing I've ever done. Literally in probably anywhere from 5 to 10 feet of water while I'm fishing this drop shot, and it's all just scattered weeds. And I'm just kind of barely dangle. I'm not even moving my drop shot. I'm just twitching it in one spot, and they're just ticking it. It's hard to work them through the grass, but it's getting the job done, so. Oh, I just have what? Oh, way out there, guys. It's so far out. End of my cast. That's where I'm getting them, because if I'm getting too close to them, I'm spooking them. So I got to make those long casts to get the bites. I don't think he's that big, but it's so far out there, I can't say. Not that big, but I'll take it. It's still fun. Look, I got 2 pounder, not even maybe. Yeah, no. I just love tail splashing, trying to get me soaked. Oh my God, you asshole. Getting drenched. Alright. Little chunker. Probably the smallest fish of the day. Oh my God, dude. If one more fish splashes me, I'm pissed. I'm quitting. Oh, I didn't even know I had him. Little bass. Jeez, still dogging me. Back and forth. Take my worm again? Come on. Always taking my drop shot. Oh, he came right off. Easy. Sweet. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to catch one more fish because my SD card's only got about 10 minutes of film time left. I just cleared up a couple videos that didn't have a fish catch, so see if I can catch one more to cap off this video. Feels like a decent one. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got. What do we got? Oh yeah, big bass. That's a good fish to end on if I can land him. Oh, he came out. He broke me off. Damn. That was like a 4 at least. Damn it. Alright, well, I guess that's where I'm ending. I hope you guys enjoyed. Broke off a couple fish that I didn't like that, but other than that, caught a ton of fish. Pretty fun. It was wicked hot out today. It kind of sucked, but got a long paddle back, so I'm going to start heading back. Don't forget to drop a like and a sub. I'll catch you guys next time.